with the testing process for testing the checklist. So first let me log on to uh, divorce self 123 website as an independent client, and let me open the scenarios also. So I have already mentioned about the different kind of checklist that we have in the scenario, which we follow as the reference while verifying each and every document that is present for that particular checklist group. So now let's go to case checklist. Okay, so to test each and every scenario, the first thing that we need to do is we have to make sure that the scenario follows the same action type, matter type, filing as, then details about kids and how we are filing and who is filing. So just to make sure that the scenario is correct, first we'll go to you and your case, then case information. Okay, so here you can select I made a mistake and need to change my case type. So if you select that, then it will give you this pop-up wherein you can modify the case type. So currently it is original action, dissolution of marriage, children's involved, yes. Let's say I want to change it to no, and I can give some reason here, let's say testing, then save the change. So by this I have modified my case uh, to a case of divorce without children, wherein it was before divorce with children. So now let's go to you and your case, then documents and filing, then we can go to filing your case. So here you can mention how we are going to file it, whether we want to file it separately, then who is going to file it, whether myself or my spouse, or not yet decided. So there are multiple options that we can select based on the scenario that we are testing. So let's say I'll select joint and then other party. So here it is joint, and then other party, because I have recognized myself as the petitioner here. I'll make the other party here is the co-petitioner. So will you be the petitioner or co-petitioner? Then I said that I'll be the co-petitioner, means uh, my spouse or the other party is going to file it. So that's it. Now let's go to the checklist. So in the checklist, as we see different kind of items present, so it can be an event, it can be a task, it can be a document. So if it is something like a task, then it is represented as uh, box with a question mark, so it is mostly like a decision that we want to make. So what we have to do is, while testing, we have to make sure that we are able to download each and every document present for a particular section. For example, I clicked on SFS, so it took me to SFS page, wherein can uh, I can leave the options as default. Then I say next. No, I'm sorry. So there, in the SFS page, we can print the SFS document. Like here, I can say uh, print SFS. Then here, I'll go with the default options. Then I'll say submit. So as one of the verification step, we have to make sure that, and then we should be able to open it in the format that is expected. So in this case, because it is an instruction and which cannot be modified, so it gets downloaded as a PDF. Then we need to verify the document as well. So as you see here, it says shown financial statement, so it should match to the same document type that we have requested. So now let's go back to the checklist again. Let's select some other kind of document like mandatory financial disclosure. So in this case, that you see, uh, this will again take me to a page wherein I can mention what are the disclosures that I want to mention in my document. So I can select based on my requirement, then I can say save. Now let's go to a different kind of document. So for final order hearing, we have updated initial status conference document. So let's check this one. I clicked on it, but it is not downloading. So that means it's an issue and it should be reported appropriately. Currently this is a known issue that we are going to fix it. Let's say I click on spousal maintenance worksheet. So it is taking me to the maintenance worksheet. Then here I can select appropriate maintenance worksheet. Then I can say print. There is something wrong, it seems. That's why it is not allowing me to print. Let's go to the disclosure. We have already seen this one. Okay, let's go to some other document. let's go to this instruction to set. So as you see, this is again an instruction, so it gets downloaded as an PDF wherein all those instructions are listed, and obviously because it's a PDF we cannot modify it. And let me select show all document, where we'll get more documents that our attorney is going to complete. Okay, so let's say joint separation agreement. So this gets downloaded as the document that you can see here. It got downloaded. Let me open it. So as you see, it says partial separation agreement of marriage. So wherein the heading says joint separation agreement, so which is a mismatch in the document type that we have downloaded. So this kind of issues that we need to report as soon as possible to the developer. So the idea behind this testing activity is to make sure that each document type listed here in the case checklist should appropriately be mapped to the correct document, so that we should verify by downloading each document, then verifying the content of it. And while executing each scenario, we should stick to those set of documents to verify, and then we should say whether it's a pass or a fail. So that's all for this particular video. Thanks for watching.